is for Module 4, Lesson 39, and you are finding a number that makes 10. So numbers 1 through 9 to figure out how many more do I need to make 10 using a 5-group drawing. So I'm going to do the first one for you, and then you're going to do the other one on your own on your Whiteboard app. So the one that I'm going to do is the one on the left, and it has 7 dots. So I see 5 on the side and 2 on the other side because I'm drawing the 5-group way. So I have to figure out how many more do I need to make 10. I already have 7. Now some of you might know how many more we need if we have 7 to get to 10, because you know off the top of your head. But if you don't, I'm going to show you how to figure it out. So I'm going to count my dots to make sure. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And then I'm going to keep counting and drawing until I get to 10. 8, 9, 10. How many did I draw? I drew 3 more dots. So I know 7 and 3 makes 10. So now I need to fill out my number bond. So I know all together I have 10 dots. And to start my black dots, I had 7. And I figured out by drawing and counting that I need 3 more to make 10. 10 is 7 and 3, or 7 and 3 makes 10. Okay, so now I want you to do this one on your own. We already have 2 dots. How many more do we need to make 10? 2 and what makes 10? Can you do this one on your own on your Whiteboard app to figure it out and fill out a number bond, and then send me a picture when you are done?